Listen, young ones, if you wish to ruin your teenage years, it is simple. Ignore wisdom and chase fleeting pleasures without understanding their consequences. Spend your days in distractions, consumed by illusions on screens. Let anger and harsh words rule your relationships. Burn bridges with pride and ego. Seek escape in harmful habits, mistaking them for freedom. Forget discipline and responsibility. Ignore the need of kindness, reflection, and connection. Let your mind be a prisoner of regret and self-pity. But if you wish for joy and freedom, follow this instead. Be mindful. Cultivate compassion. Learn from wise friends and noble teachings. The choices you make now will echo through your life. So choose wisely. Or just keep watching mindless videos on the side and don't do any work. That'll definitely help. Your choice matters. Or does it?